Do we have to be religious? As indicated above, everyone, religious or not, believer in God or not, transitions to the spirit world as part of the natural process of life. Just as it is not necessary to be religious to live in the physical world, it is not necessary to profess a particular faith to live in the spirit world. However, it is also true that the great world religions have been the bearers of universal spiritual truth, have been the source of the spiritual education of millions, perhaps billions, of people, and have been the central force in the spiritual development of the human race. Fully understood and lived out, the teachings underlying the great religious traditions inevitably promote the spiritual growth of their followers and are thus extremely valuable in preparing these individuals for the richest possible life in the spirit world. Moreover, it is known that religions, and particularly those of God's central restoration history, the Judeo-Christian, have arisen inspired by God to restore fallen humanity and foster right spiritual growth, so eventually people, as a matter also of spiritual lineage, must reunite with the Messiah who returns to teach us to realize God's creation purpose, the three blessings in our lives. Thus, although one does not have to be religious to dwell in the spirit world, it is inevitable to benefit from understanding and practicing a particular tradition. Having said that, however, it must be recognized that not all teachings defined as religious are beneficial. Judgmental, prejudiced, critical and narrow religion can hinder the natural growth of the spirit. It is love, not religion, that creates spiritual growth. Where religion teaches love, there is growth. Where religion hinders love, there is stagnation. In the end, the kingdom we have to build will be, yes, a kingdom of justice, but above all a kingdom based on the heart and love of God, so a world of heart and love rather than judgment.